we have multiplication of algebraic fractions. We know that when we have to multiply algebraic fractions, we have to do the same like for multiplication of fractions. So we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we will put one fraction bar, and in the numerator we will have s plus 5, this whole expression we have to put in parentheses, and we have times. In the second parenthesis we have another numerator, so that will be s squared minus 10s plus 25 over we have s squared plus 10s plus 25 times, and we have s squared, and we have negative 25, so we can 25 rewrite that this is 5 to second power. Next, because we have to reduce to the lowest terms, we have to multiply and reduce to the lowest terms, and we know that we can reduce only when we have multiplication. So first, let's check if we can factorize. In first parenthesis we have s plus 5, so we cannot do anything with this. And next we have s squared minus 10s plus 25. This is general quadratic trinomial. So we can check if we can find two numbers which are multiplied and give me 25, and when I add them I will have negative 10. So this is equal s plus 5, we will copy, and what will be? It will be negative 5. So s we have to put in the first parenthesis, and s, because s times s give me s squared, so it will be negative 5 and negative 5. Because negative 5 times negative 5 give me 25, and when I add negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. So the same we will do with the first parenthesis in denominator. We have general quadratic trinomial. Before s squared we have 1. So we will have s and s. And next we have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 25, and when I add them it will be 10. So it will be 5 and 5, because 5 times 5 is 25, 5 plus 5 is 10. So it's exactly the same what we have at the beginning. And we have s squared minus 5 squared. This is difference of two perfect squares. If you don't remember, let me remind you formula. When you have a minus b square, of course, as a squared minus b squared, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. In this example, our a is equal s and b is equal 5. So we will have s minus 5 times s plus 5. Now we see that we have the same expressions in parentheses, and we have multiplications, so we can reduce. We have s plus 5 and s plus 5, so this we can cancel out, will be 1 and 1, and s minus 5 and s minus 5, it will be 1. So now when we multiply by 1, 1 times 1 will be 1. 1 times s minus 5 is s minus 5, and in the denominator we have 1 times s plus 5 times s plus 5. The same expression in parentheses, so we will have s plus 5 to second power. This is my solution.